Hi everybody. Today we're going to be making an interaction widget. Basically it's going to pop up a widget on the screen asking us if we want to pick up the item when we collide with the sphere. Instead of automatically picking it up when we touch it, it's going to ask us if we want to pick it up. We're going to make it where we can automatically pick it up if we want. That'll just be set with a boolean here with auto pickup. But I'll show you that's still working here if we have that checked. There. But if we don't have it checked, it will look like something like this. As you see, that e-pickup is added there, and then it disappears whenever we pick it up. So first, go ahead and make a widget. Make it however you would like it to look. This is what mine looks like. Inside the graph, there's nothing here yet, so we don't need to do anything here. Just make sure you make the widget. Next, we're going to go to the AC inventory component. We're going to make a couple of variables. We're going to make this owning actor here. It's just going to be a regular actor reference. We're going to make this auto pickup boolean. And then we're going to make this overlapping items array of BP master item object reference. But it's going to be an array. And eventually we'll be making this interaction reference. So to start, we're going to make a custom event. We're going to set this owning actor here. And we're going to make sure it's replicated. We're also going to make this server destroy actor. We're also going to make this server destroy actor. It's going to be replicated run on the server, and it's going to be reliable. Just drag that destroy actor target into the event. And then we're going to start this set interaction visibility. This is what's going to be making that widget pop up. So we're going to get the owning actor, and we're going to get is locally controlled, and just drag the owning actor into that, checking to see if the one that we're controlling is the actor. If that's the case, we're going to see if it's visible. This event will have a boolean called visible input. We're going to see if what the result of that is. If it's true, we're going to create the interaction widget, then promote this to a variable to set the interaction widget as a reference. We're going to see if it's valid, and then we're going to add it to the viewport. If it's not true, we're going to get the interaction reference, see if it is valid, if we have a reference, and then we're going to get all the widgets of the class and remove them from parent. As we go, I will probably have some code that is around. It's just me testing things, and right now this is the way it works, so this is what we're going with. The next thing that we're going to do is make a function here called try pickup item. This hide interaction actually I don't think we need at the moment, but for now, this try pickup item, we're going to call this function. We're going to get the overlapping items, get the length, see if it's greater than 0. If it is, we're going to get the item to pick up, add it to the inventory, remove the item to pick up from the overlapping items array, destroy the item to pick up, see if the overlapping items, if there are more than 0, if there's overlapping items. If it is, take one of the random overlapping items and set it to the new item to pick up. Fairly simple, fairly straightforward. So then we're going to go over to the master character here. We're going to get the E key. We're going to drag out of the AC inventory component. We're going to get the try pickup item. Alright, now the fun part. This is actually setting using the function set interaction visibility. So this function set interaction visibility in our event graph here that makes it visible, calls the widget. That is where we will be going next, right here in the BP master item. So on component begin overlap, we had some of this, but right here is where we're going to set this AC inventory component. This auto pickup should be exposed on spawn and instance editable. Just make sure that is the case. You're going to drag on get component by class, get the AC inventory component, and out of that you're going to see if it implements the interface. If it does, get the auto pickup condition. If it's set to true, that is when you're going to add the item to inventory. So this is just going to be the normal what we had with auto pickup. It's going to add it to the inventory, destroy the actor right there. If it's not true, it's going to get the overlapping items array. It's going to add itself, the master item, to the reference of itself to the array of the overlapping objects. And then it's setting the item to pick up to self. And then that is when it's setting the interaction visibility with the visibility set to true. Over here, when we leave the collision, this is when we're going to be getting the component by class, the AC inventory component, getting the overlapping items, removing the master this object reference from the overlapping items, seeing if we're overlapping any other items. So if we left one item space but we're still overlapping other items, if it's false, then set all of the interaction visibility to false, to not true. Awesome. So that was this video, y'all. On the next one, we'll be stacking items.